Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the watermark on the Filmmaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, if you want to start a new project, click to the new project button at the upper side of the screen, but the project section you can find your old videos. New, here, go to the icon at the upper right side of the screen, and here you can find the remove, custom or the Filmmaker watermark. But the remove and the custom is a pro option, and I don't have a pro membership. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.